There are millions of devices using Java, thousands of applications using Java. It's very learning friendly language, and it's fun to use Java. So why not use Java? Java is mainly used in the backend. I would say it's hard to find a use case where Java doesn't fit. Um, so even comparing with other languages like Go, it's been said that Java had worse performance compared to other languages, but nowadays that's not entirely true. So Java has very high level of performance compared to other languages, even more if we consider to use to go to native artifacts using a native compilation. And then we can have super great performances as other languages typically we're used to. Java has more than 25 years. So there are lots of extensions, toolings, IDEs. So there are lots of IDEs that can be used in IntelliJ, and there are lots of extensions for all of them. Nowadays, the developer has a lot of help during the process of coding, even with testing tools. So it's not one framework for testing. There are lots of them, and they are always evolving. One particular thing that I love in the Java ecosystem is the ahead of time compilation that, well, there are several frameworks like Micronaut, Spring, Native, Quarkus, Helidon, that they are using this approach. And therefore, when you compile your application, there are a lot of things that are done during build time. In the past, a lot of things were done on runtime. Therefore, the application took less to be built, but it took longer to run. Now, with ahead of time compilation, these frameworks can create applications that are very fast, that take less memory footprint, and also that they can be compiled into a native artifact that you can run in any Linux machine without having the JVM installed. It means for me coding better. That means considering security, taking all of this very seriously, because not using this approach of clean code is really costing a lot to companies. So it's there are several reports that we can find. So the cost of poor quality code is more than $2 trillion, only considering companies in the United States. So there's a lot of money, a lot of time. Sometimes people think clean code is a hard thing to do. I've been there. I've been in the position where you start analyzing a project and you find thousands of issues. I would say that I have one professional life before joining the Java community and another one totally different after doing it. Community is power. Community makes Java what it is after 25 years. This is not something that other languages can say or will be able to say. So community gives you a lot of opportunities to learn, to grow, to meet amazing people. People in the community are super kind and open to share knowledge. Companies are taking benefit from these community interactions that are happening. Also, apart from that, a lot of those community members are also the maintainers of those projects that companies are using to build their stuff. So they are using open source projects, organizing events, helping to organize events, going to meetups, being part of the Java community, definitely something that I totally encourage people to do, because their professional life will change for the better, for sure.